How to upload profile photo in Slack. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Slack application on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will be led to your profile. So tap on your profile name you see there and you will see the option for edit profile right below your profile icon. So tap on the edit photo option you see there and you can then choose if you want to upload a new photo from your library or if you want to take a photo. So simply tap on the view photo if you want to take the picture from your library, and with this go ahead and select any picture for your profile picture and then tap on the choose option at the bottom right, and finally tap on the save option on the top right of your screen, and with this your profile picture on Slack will be uploaded. So this was about how you can upload profile photo on Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.